Hello friends, this is Manoj Kalla. I provide hand-holding training in all this technology. My dear friends, uh, today we'll learn how to create a project, a complete working project we will going to develop in this series. Okay, we are going to develop one contact management system. First we will be developed a menu system, then we developed forms. Okay, and in the forms there are the two types of form. Data entry will do the CURD and the top, bottom, next, previous, all kind of activities inside the that data entry forms and handling all the data. And the second, the reports executor, in sense like any reports we want to see or preview and print. So like this kinds of reports like contact list, address labels. So we ask the user, our user, whether you want to print, screen or export kind of things. Okay, so and the third option, we're going to develop the reports, FRX files and labels. So be with me and you learn and see all these sequentials videos, and you learn a complete contact management system. In this contact management system, I will teach very simple format of developing the application with the Visual Foxpro. Okay, in next series I will be going to launch employee management system or employee handling system. In that I will show you more dynamic way. This is the very simple way. So I will be increase your level of Visual Foxpro working by on each different project. So you will come to know how to work with this. Okay, now as you'll see here, in this form will be create a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here it will be a 11 kind of 11 I think so 11 number of data entry inputs we will be going to handle. You can see it's very simple. Like first will be receive from the user full name, mobile number, email ID, birth date. Okay, is in date column, and address line 1, address line 2, address line 3, city, country, zip code or a pin code in India we can call. Okay, and is married, yes or no. And we'll be create a reporting and a query management. And reporting management is like what, you can search your friend or any contact on a name wise, like Rajesh, Mahesh, Suresh, okay, Pritesh. So if you write ESH, so all this name will be come. Okay, you understood? So name wise you can search. Suppose if you search email like @gmail.com, if you put it, how many friends who's having a Gmail ID, you can go through it. Like you can search anything in an email. Mobile, city, like if you want your friend in staying in New York, so if you just write York, 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 New York. So like I just type Pur. Okay, so it will be a Jodhpur, Kanpur, Nagpur, okay, Lalitpur. These are all city will be come where your friends is staying. Okay, and the contact list, like in reports, the complete contact list in a tabular format, address label, selected city in a contact list, selected city. If you want to generate a address label, you can do it, and married, unmarried contact list, and particular contact address label. So friends, stay tuned with me. You will be learn a complete step by step. You will learn how to work with the Visual Foxpro. Okay, and this is not only this is not a last, but this is the first. And in the next live kind of project, you will be learn employee management. This is more in that will be use a more best practices in that. And in a third stage, any project I will be take, you will be learn a very sound kind of like working with the Visual Foxpro. Thank you.